Importing office furniture sounds easy, until the delays, paperwork, and hidden costs kick in. That's why choosing the right manufacturer isn't just important, it's everything. At Stellar Global, we don't just build high-quality office furniture. We simplify the entire process, from production to delivery, so you don't have to worry about a thing. It starts with compliance. We make sure every product meets international standards and is documentation ready before it leaves our factory. Then comes packaging. We use moisture-proof wrap, custom crates, and protective materials to keep your orders safe in transit. Shipping, we've got that too. Whether you need cost-effective sea freight or faster air freight, we plan it based on your timeline and destination. Our warehousing solutions and logistics network ensure smooth delivery, reduced costs, and better inventory flow. Need to cut costs further? We assist our customers to consolidate shipments, optimize freight loads, and plan the container. Our documentation helps customers to get customs clearance without any delays or any last-minute hassles. And once it's on the move, we track every step. We also ensure you get real-time updates, final inspections, and flexible delivery options. Because we believe importing furniture shouldn't feel like managing chaos. Choose Stellar Global, where quality manufacturing meets reliability.